Hello, 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 and welcome. This is a session that's going to use some momentum to help release tension and tightness and stress in our bodies. Sometimes we are holding tension and not even realizing that we're doing so. So you're going to start in a standing position with your feet a little bit wider than your hips. And if you want to be on a floor, we are going to be doing a bit of a twisting motion where we're going to pop a heel. So this might work better on a floor as opposed to, well, it might also work on a mat. I have soft knees, and I'm just going to allow the arms to sweep and swing, using momentum to bring my body into a twist. Letting the hands gently tap where they will, various pressure points in the midsection, in the torso of the body, borrowing this opening move from the Qigong practice. And I'm letting the head and neck just look over that back shoulder, going with a natural rhythm and flow of the movement. Let's try 4 and 3 and 2, and then just letting it stop naturally and gradually. Opening the arms out into a T shape here. We're going to move into some pendulum work. You might want to hold onto a wall. And we're bringing one leg forward and just letting it sweep forward and back. It's making contact with the floor in the center. If you feel like you've got a great balance today, you can let those arms move naturally with the leg. I have a soft flex in the foot, opening up the hip, releasing any gripping in the hip flexor for 3, 2, and 1. Keep that pendulum action, but we're going to cross the body and open it to the side. You can have the arms moving, or you can keep the arms still, or you can hold on to a wall or a chair. And the foot is just grazing the center as it crosses and lifts, crosses and opens. Let's go 4, 3, 2. We're going to switch legs. Okay. Leg number 2. You can set up your arms. I like to keep the arms moving because we're working in motion with total body movement. So if you can find that balance, even if one hand is holding the wall, the other arm can move in coordination with that leg. Wow. Let's go 4 and 3, 2, and 1. And just switching the starting position. Leg crossing in front and opening to the side. Keep your breath flowing, standing tall with great posture. Stay connected to your core. And let's go 4, 3, 2. Wow, yes, great. Good. Taking that wider stance, external rotation, soft knees, and we're going to do some arm circles. Crossing in front and sweeping up. And I'm letting a little bounce in the knees. 3, 2, Reverse the arms the other way. Open and cross at the top. And let them move into that momentum. 4, 3. Change this into a lunge, side to side. We're going to add those arms, sweeping across and open, reaching to the side that we're lunging into. Sweep, lunge, breath. Let's go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Wow. Great. Bring those feet in, parallel legs, hip width apart. Just reach the arms up with an inhale. Exhale, bend the knees. And looking down as we sweep the arms, rowing them back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale high, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale. Exhale and pull those abdominals in. Sitting back into that chair pose. Inhale. We can add a little balance at the top. We can lift the heels for a moment. And then exhale, drop heels, bend knees, and catch the balance at the top. Inhale. Balance. Breath. Focus. 3, 2, 1. And great. Okay. Warming up, increasing our heart rate, decreasing our tension. Okay, stepping to the back of the mat. Got the mat in front of you here. I'm going to take the feet, mat width apart, bend the knees, drop the chin, and roll down those legs. Forward fold. Reach for opposite elbows. Let the head go. And start your momentum swinging, swaying, side to side into this ragdoll forward bend. Feel the shift of weight from foot to foot. Let the neck release the head. Switch the way that you're crossing those arms. Other hand in front. Allow gravity to bring you deeper into your range of motion, and let's go 4, 3, 2. Return to center. Inhale to look forward, walking the hands out onto the mat, coming briefly into a plank, a transitional plank, and then drop the knees, uncurl the toes, come all the way down onto your front body, stack the hands, rest the forehead on top, and bend those knees, maybe wider or hip width apart. And let's start swaying the legs side to side. Let the hips and pelvis move with this momentum. And keep breathing in, breathing out. Relax the shoulders. And bring the legs a little closer together. And we're going to take the legs over to one side and just draw circles down and around. Keep doing that in the same direction. About 6 times. Let the legs fall into the momentum. Inhale at the top. Let's reverse the direction the other way. Just letting the hips and pelvis rock with this movement created by the legs. Last time here. Legs back to center, and we're just going to do some taps with the feet. Clicking the feet into the center. This creates a soft, bouncing action throughout the body. Let's do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and stretch those legs back behind you. Bring your palms to the mat, just under the shoulders, and exhale, lift the abdominals, pull the belly button in, and then push with your arms coming up. And sit back to the heels for one big breath here. Let's take a seat on your mat. Reach the arms and slowly lower it down onto your back. You can stretch those arms out to a T shape. Bring the feet about mat width apart, and let's do those leg sways from here. Side to side, letting the knees drop. And you can keep your head centered in the middle, or you can look the opposite direction. Keep the breath flowing. Keep the sway of the legs, but just bring the feet a little closer to you so there's more bend in the knees, a deeper bend. And see how that feels. In the back, in the knees, in the hips. Let the kneecaps be heavy. And then just try walking the feet a little farther away from you so the legs are a little straighter. We'll try another 6, 5. Come back to the center. Hug the knees into the chest. Let's rock side to side using that momentum. Keep a bit of a balance here so you're not going to go so far to the side that you lose your balance. Hands on the knees and let those arms move the legs. So relax the legs, let them just go along with the force of the arms. Moving the legs. In, out, circling around. In, out, circling around. Reverse the direction. Breathing in. Breathing out. 3, 2. And our last move here, we're going to hold the back of the legs, those hamstrings, and just do some rolling like a ball. Rolling on the spine and seeing if we can balance at the top without letting those toes touch down. Inhale and exhale. Keep the chin a little low. Bring the hands to the front of the legs. Let's go 3. One more time here. And after all that motion, movement, and momentum, let's stay still. Find that tabletop balance. If you prefer V-sit balance, keep breathing. Squeeze into the center. Lift the heart and crown of the head up. One more breath in. One more breath out. Almost there. With control, let's try to lower those legs as we lift the arms up to the sky, looking high, and exhale over the legs. Take a moment to breathe into that new energy we've created with all of that momentum release work. Soften shoulders, hips, and stay with your breath.